I make these videos to make you money. I ask you to watch the video from start to finish, to stick with me if you like money. Now, my recent videos where I charted and explained exactly what I was looking for included CCJ, I made a quick 30,000. BEKE, I made a quick 20,000. Netflix, another 20,000. I show you guys exactly what I'm doing. If you guys like money like I do, then you invest and you watch my videos and you go, wow, light bulb moment. Dude is giving me the best entry point, giving me strategy, telling me how to exit. Let's speak about crypto. I mentioned ADA. Every time it dips to 205 to 208, I'm in. Every time it goes up to 226 to 229, I'm out. I've made that same trade 3 times. If you watch my crypto video, you must like making money. So before I start and show you some charts today, pound that like, pound the subscribe button, make some comments. If you want me to analyze your stock, leave a comment below. Tell me what stock you want me to look at. I would be more than happy to do that. Now, I just look at random stocks spur of the moment. I show you these stocks because I show you how simple it is just to look at a stock. You open up the 1-month chart and that'll show you supply and demand. All right. That also shows you volume. You open up the 5-day chart. It shows you the form, like the racing form that your stock is in. The last 5 days, it's looking bullish. It's looking bearish. You use the 1-day chart to show you the proper entry and exit when you're looking to get into the position and call the bottom or the top to get in, depending if you're doing calls or puts. Okay, I've showed you the money. I told you how we're going to make money. Let me show you the charts and explain exactly what I was seeing. Okay, so we got the first chart, which I've already mentioned, CCJ. We profited off this. Now, how did we do so? We go back to the 1-month chart, and it's in the $20 range. And again, remember my price target, $27. I tell you, as soon as we have inflow and demand, the stock will pop. It did not take long. It popped on 10/12, October 12th, October 13th. It then consolidated. Once you have a big pop like this, and it moved about 20% in 2 days. Yes, if you watch my videos, sometimes I actually give you stocks that'll move 20%. I tell you, they're ready to pop. I've named a couple. Watch my videos. Look at the 5-video challenge. Okay, so it consolidated for 2 days, and then another huge inflow day. And then you reached $27. Now remember, that's when I exited. That was my price target. Let's look at another one. BEKE. Spoke about this one recently. And again, we'll open up the 1-month chart and we look over here, $16, I still wasn't in. At $18, I got in because I'm looking at these inflow days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you see the red days, the outflow days, you see such small volume, 1, 2, 3, 4, small volume. Then you have inflow. You get what I'm saying? I tell you guys, this one was ready to pop. So on the first trade, I made 30K. On the second trade, I made 20K. That's 50K. I added another 20 onto a different trade that I made. So watch my videos if you like money. Now, one of the stocks I'm going to mention and speak about today, I currently have no position. But I will be taking a position today because I think this stock could go at least 30% higher. So I know some of you do not trade in options. If you're trading stock only, that's fine. You still have to have a game plan. You still have to have entry and exit strategy. For those trading options, we are more limited and more sensitive to time constraints. So let's look at the first stock that I'm pulling up, which is WISH. Let me go in here and show you exactly what I'm seeing. So the first thing we're going to do for this stock is we're going to go to the 1 year because we can see Wish Technologies was as high as $28 and it had a nice base of $27, and then it found a new base at $8.29, and it stayed above that for the longest time, and it's only been below that for, let's say, a month. Even here, you're at $7 August 13th, okay? Doesn't take a genius to figure out it is going back to $7. So, higher, actually. So we'll look here. We got heavy volume, $7.55. It came back to $7.38. So when it's on my radar, my price target on this one is $7.50. Does it mean that it can't go higher? Of course it can go higher. But understand, my strategy, my execution is you get in at $5, you get out at $7.50, you make 50% profit on stock. Wait, 50%? You said we can make 30% earlier, Matt. Yes, because the stock is already at $6. So if we're looking for the stock to go up to $7.50, we're going to look for it to consolidate a little, okay? So you have inflow, 45 million, dwarfed by 126 million of volume, right? And you'll see that right down here. Volume, 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 volume. It even lasted throughout the day, which tells me a great entry is going to be somewhere between $5.88 and $6.01. So if you're watching this video, you go on and you look at Wish and you say, Matt told me that my entry should be somewhere between $5.88 and $6.01. Meaning, if the stock is at $6.05, $6.10, $6.20, you're not buying. You're waiting for that red day in the market where there's a bit of a sell-off and it consolidates down to $5.88. At that time, you could buy stocks or options. You plan ahead. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am telling you, this stock price will go north and it will hit my price target of $7.50. And if I was going to put a time frame on that, I would say within 2.5 months. We spoke about Wish. I'm seeing demand. Let me find one more stock for you guys today. Okay, I found another winning stock for you that I think will go up at least 18% over the next month or two. Now, understand, we are also having bottlenecking and shipping and supply chain issues. This stock, the price of this stock, should benefit from those issues. So let me pull it up. It's ZIM, which is ZIM Integrated Shipping. It's currently at $50. Okay, so we're gonna look, because I'm not telling anybody to jump right in. We'll look at the 1 year. Okay, so the 1 year's bullish. We can see that it topped at like $50 and it retracted all the way to 36. So from 50 to 36, it dropped 30%. So when everybody was talking about, oh, markets are at highs, everything needs to come back, this one dropped 30%. And then from there, it went as high as $60. So again, it dropped to $34 up to $60. So it gained that 30% and then some back. All right, then we had some big selling. Let's go down to a 3 month so I can show you more clearly. We had selling, it was still going up, more selling, starts to recover. Now, I've showed you guys a chart like this before. It starts to recover and then it sells off and finds its ultimate low. Now you're seeing volume was so light, under 2 million on that day, which put it on my watch list. So I'm watching the stock. I say, okay, they're starting to buy. Remember the psychology of trading. You just had that light bulb moment, okay? And you're thinking to yourself, I'm gonna get paid. So here it is, inflow. Now we're 2 days in a row. Inflow, 3 days in a row. Inflow, 4 days in a row. So let's look at the volume. 2.5, 3.5, 3. So, and the outflow was 3.5. So we're really looking back to this date, 7 million. So I'm gonna add up these volumes. 2, 5, 8.5, 11 million. So it tells me it's over the volume from these 2 previous days. So I say to myself, okay, it found its baseline. It's going to appreciate from here. Again, that's just my thought process. That's why you watch the videos. You want to get inside my head so I can show you what I see in stocks so you could do the same thing with your stocks. So we'll go to the 5-day for the stock. Here we go. We got some heavy buying, probably some profit taking here. Heavy buying again, pushed it up. Again, you always have, when you miss your entry and it spikes from here to here and you say to yourself, oh, I missed it. Oh, it's only going up even higher, higher, higher. No, there's always opportunity to get in. So when I'm showing you this and it's currently at $50, and I'm going to tell you right now, your entry should be somewhere in the $49 range to possibly as low as $48.60. So from $48.60 to $49. That is the buying range for me, which means it's currently at $50. I'm looking for consolidation for it to go down by at least 2%. Now, as soon as it hits $49, I don't say, light bulb moment, I'm going to buy. No, I say to myself, okay, it just went from 50 to 49. Does it have a chance to go lower? And if I say to myself, and I look at the 1-day chart, because that's what I do, And let's say this is 49. I say, oh, does it have a chance to go lower? Yeah, it could go down here. So that's why I don't always buy. Now, if my one-day chart looks like here and I say to myself, oh, geez, 49 looks like the bottom, you know, and it looks like the bottom right here, then yes, I could buy. So it's all about looking at the chart and analyzing the chart. So again, your execution or your strategy means you have a game plan, you know your entry point, you know your exit strategy, you don't have FOMO, which means you have patience, and then you execute off that. Now, if you haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm dropping videos every day, and I would like you all to make money with me. I want you all to learn and grow with me. Thank you again.